Chef, that vegetable tagine, and Ed loved his chicken tagine, is probably the best meal we've had.
Good. Compliment to you, Chef.
Well, it was your recipe. It was amazing. So I just wanted us to give everyone a spice tutorial. And if anybody knows spices, it's the Moroccans. So let's go with these first few spices and what they are.
So here we have a couple of spices that you can find everywhere in the world, and there are some local spices that are like Moroccan specific spices, like the mix of the Ras El Hanout. The mix of the Ras El Hanout is a blend of 20 to 40 spices. Every chef, every spice shop, they do have their own secret blend for making it. And you find the Moroccan cuisine as the only cuisine in North African cuisines that combines what is sweet and savory. This is one of the secrets of the Moroccan cuisine. And the key ingredient to it is the ras al hanout, which is, as I told you, a blend of all what you can think of as a spice is in here. It has nutmeg, ginger, star anise, everything. The only two spices that you don't put in there is the saffron and the salt.
Saffron and salt. No
And
salt.
this is the key ingredient to sweet savory dishes, what we call the royal tagine, which is meat with caramelized dried fruits. And you find us a lot cooking with four basic spices that makes us very popular for them. We have the ginger, we have the turmeric, and we have pepper and sweet paprika. So these four spices are common in every Moroccan dish.
Okay.
It's like the base. So you use pepper. Here we use a blend of black pepper and white pepper. You know that white pepper is less spicy, black pepper is more spicy. This is why we make this fusion. And we have ginger powder, which is like something very basic to all of the dishes here. You find it in couscous, tagines, pastilla, which is a sweet savory dish. It's a must to have. And the turmeric, whenever you see something yellow, is due to the turmeric here.
Now, how about the cinnamon?
The cinnamon is basically something that you use when you have sweet savory dishes. It adds extra flavor with the ras el hanout. This combination of these two spices makes everything tasty, and we say this is the spice of the lazy chef, because once you put some of it in food, it turns everything yum.
Okay, that's a good tip.
Something about the Moroccan cuisine, it's one of the most refined cuisines here, and the use of saffron makes it so. The saffron is a spice that is found in Morocco. Actually, Morocco is the first exporter of saffron in the world, and the saffron here is common in tagines, in couscous, and even in tea. Sometimes we make tea with that, and it could be used as a cure to some illnesses. It has so much health benefits. Like it could be anti-depression. It would help you with depression if you have it like tea. It's very good for inflammation, and it's very good for anti-aging. If you'd like to look younger, 10 years younger, saffron is the best.
Oh, that's you know me and anti-aging. That's
Yes,
important.
anti-aging. You
And how about
always look, as if you put the Botox.
And how about digestion?
It's very good for your tummy, yeah. And the ginger is very good for digestion. I mean, you have it fresh in tea or you have it in your food. It's very good for that. I mean, it's one of the best. Mint is also used in the Moroccan cuisine a lot, and it's very good for digestion. We use a lot of mint tea here, so it's perfect.
Every spice has a lot of health benefits,
Yes,
right?
yeah, like the turmeric, it's anti-inflammatory. Cumin is used here to cure stomach from upset stomach. If you have like at the first, beginning of your stomachache, you take cumin tea, you mix a teaspoon of cumin in hot water, and you drink it. It helps a lot relax your stomach. If not, if the stomach stays aching for too long, then you can use thyme, za'atar. Za'atar, which is wild thyme that we get from the mountains.
Oh.
You can make tea with that. It's very good.
Za'atar, Z-A.
Za'atar, yes.
Oh, that's a thyme?
Yeah, thyme.
Did not know that.
It's wild thyme. It's a very specific type of thyme. Yeah. It has very tiny tea leaves, and it's anti-poisoning. It's very good for, upset stomach.
So I think you have spices at every meal, because we've been getting a lot of sliced oranges with cinnamon on it.
Yes, it's good. I mean, it's very healthy. Oranges are a big thing here. Morocco is one of the biggest exporters of citrus fruits. So we find oranges in meals, as a dessert, in almost everything.
Well, Chef Hasna, this was the most fun day for me with you. I love cooking classes, and this is probably one of my favorites of all time.
We're happy to have you.
Thank
so
you.
much for
Thank
having
you.
me. Thank you.